Hello and welcome back to II, videos about hardware, software and anywhere. It's almost 3 months further and I have time for the 386 software part 2. I've replaced the damaged or defective cache memory chips with new ones from Winbond. Set the option back to both in the BIOS and we've got 128 kilobytes of cache memory. Before doing any new benchmarks, I first want to try to get some higher graphics with this card. By trying to run a program called UniVBE, you can update your graphics card if it supports VESA. I checked the specifications of my Oak VGA graphics card and the OT077 supports VESA.
Can somehow update my video card. I have no clue how this software can do it, but we'll see. We type UniVBE. Because there is a remote possibility that testing procedure may damage monitors, we strongly recommend that you turn off the monitor during this testing phase. So when the beeping stops, you can turn your monitor back on. Okay, turn it off and press enter. That's it. Oh, a no message. The software is licensed, blah blah blah. This register cannot be publicly blah blah blah. Graphics chip Oak OT077 PCI with 1 megabyte. Before and after. Graphics mode supported 2. Because there is a remote possibility. SciTech Doctor is about to analyze. Hey! He does it again. Alright. Whoa! I don't know what it did now. Okay, I typed the option VBE test and now we get this. Before using the UniVBE.x, I couldn't do this. It would say you need to run UniVBE.exe. So I did, and we had the monitor thing. And now I have the options of interactive tests, enable, disable UniVBE, and quit. And version VBE 3.0 with 124 kilobytes memory. So it has been activated somehow. That's quite cool. Let's do interactive tests 0. 4 bits per pixel mode 0 with 4-bit video mode to test 0. Start low 800 by 600 by 4 page banked only. BIOS defaults 0. Wow. So this is VESA or VBE, UniVBE. So that's really cool. You should see a colorful more pattern on the screen. Press any key to continue. Wow. Okay, so somehow this program really updated my graphics card. Press enter. I'll press enter. Buffer now set to 3488 times 601 pixels. Press any key to begin scrolling. Nice. Yeah. Again scrolling, I think now up and down. Yes. I'm not going to do one yet. Let's say choice Q. Let's do another test. 8 bits per pixel modes. Let's try one. Oh, quit. It has no options. 3, 16 bits. I don't think, no. Just the 0 we can do. This program requires a VESA VBE 1.2 or higher. Okay, so I activated it.
I need
Also my UniVBE drivers. So it's just 2 files, the UniVBE and the documentation. Cool. Let's restart the system. I would just want to check what this does. I know where I could use it for. I still have the DOS bench, right? I first have to set it. So we'll go to drivers, UniVBE, utils, cd DOS bench. Now we could run the PC player benchmark 6. Wow. So the screen looks sharp, but it's 1.3. That's terrible. So we found one thing we could do with the new VESA options for this video card, which is useless.
We're not going to test any 640 by 480 in the benchmarks. Time to do some benchmarks and compare results. I already did tests without cache memory, and I can now do tests with 128 kilobytes of cache memory. Let's compare those. First, all the benchmarks with expanded memory. Now the benchmarks with extended memory. That went pretty fast. Let's take a look at the results of EMS and XMS together for with and without 128 kilobytes cache memory. The first test was the 3D Bench 1.0. When using XMS with no cache, there is some real improvement, but for XMS with cache, it's almost the same. Same goes for all other benchmarks. The FPS improves around 2.5 with no cache when using only XMS. No noticeable improvement for a 128 kilobytes cache memory. The results for the PC player benchmark on the 386 are terrible, with EMS and with XMS. And finally, Doom on the 386. The improvement from no cache to 128 kilobytes cache is quite big. I wanted to show some footage of different games I play on this 386, but I want to keep this video short, so that's going to be in the next video. Adding the 128 kilobytes of cache memory does improve the graphics card a bit to some extent, but you can't play many games that demand high 3D graphics. Fast Doom on the other hand is quite playable because it was made to improve the game performance on the 386. That's also for the next video. If you'd like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.